This is the second way to start making money using Instagram, which is affiliates. Affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible ways to generate income online. By promoting products or services through unique referral links, you can earn a commission for every sale, lead, or action generated through your link. With the right strategies, you can build a scalable and passive income stream. The first question I would ask: what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where affiliates, you, promote products for businesses and earn commissions on the resultant sales. It's a win-win setup. Brands get exposure and sales, and affiliates, which is you, earn money without needing to create their own products. In affiliate marketing, here are four key players. First one, affiliate, you, the promoter, the person who gonna promote their products. Two, merchant, the business or brand with the product or service. For example, if you're gonna promote CapCut's app, here's merchant is gonna be CapCut. Number three is consumer, the buyer who makes a purchase through your link. It is the person as your ideal customer profile. And the last one, affiliate network, a platform connecting affiliates and merchants. And the last one, affiliate network, a platform connecting affiliates and merchants, managing links and tracking sales. For example, ClickBank, share a sale. And in this case, you should ask another question: why affiliate marketing works? Here are three key bullet points. The first one, low barrier to entry. You don't need to create a product or manage inventory. The second one, scalable income. The more targeted traffic you generate, the most commission you earn. And the last one, diverse opportunities. Almost every industry has affiliate programs. To start being someone's affiliate, you need to find the right affiliate program. And to do that, you need to do these steps. The first one, pick a niche you know or want to learn. Focus on an industry where you can provide value. For example, if you're a video editor, you can promote something for Adobe or CapCut. If you're in a fitness niche, you can talk about affiliate with Gymshark. The second one, you need to research affiliate programs. You need to look at these three keys. The first one, high commission rates. 20 to 50% for digital products and 5 to 10% for physical products. 2. Recurring commissions for subscription-based service. For example, if you promote CapCut, they need to pay $20 per month and you're gonna earn each month. I hope it makes sense. And the last one, programs with reliable tracking and payout. As you can see, here is my list of popular affiliate networks. Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate. CJ is like AliExpress for dropshipping. Rakuten, Impact, ClickBank. And here's my list of my top affiliates. The first one is School. Refer people to School and earn 40% of monthly recurring revenue for life. And on top of that, if somebody creates a group from your group, they attribute it to you automatically. So what you need to do in this case, you need to share your link. Share your referral link with your friends, followers, or customers. Basically, you need to generate traffic to your link. The second one, when somebody signs up, they will be attributed to you. And the last one, you're gonna earn 40% commission of their monthly subscription fee for life. So basically, they will pay $99 per month and you're gonna earn 40% commission each month. The second one is Shopify. Shopify's affiliate program offers commission payments that vary based on the location of the referred merchant. For example, I live in Germany, and for referral from Germany, affiliates earn a commission of $150 when the referred merchant subscribes to a full price Shopify plan. Third one is Stan Store. As an active Stan customer, you can participate in their referral program, earning a 20% recurring commission on every Stan subscription generated through your unique referral link. This means you will receive 20% of the subscription fee for as long as the referred customer remains subscribed. The same with the School. If they keep paying the monthly payment, you're gonna earn 20% commission each month. So to summarize it up, the first step, you need to choose an affiliate. School, Stan Store, or Shopify. The second one, you need to generate traffic to your referral unique link. Use Reels, TikTok, Shorts. The third one, you need to put the link in your bio. Move the traffic to your affiliate link in your bio. And on top of that, you can use ManyChat to automate this system and make it in an autopilot. And I will leave link in the description with my top affiliate program list. And see you on the next module.